Hello guys, in this video we are going to install Visual Studio Code for multiple users in the system. If you have multiple users operating in your system, so you might have encountered this error when installing VS Code outside the user folder. That's because you might have downloaded the user installer package. If this is happening with you, firstly uninstall the VS Code from the system. Now you need to go to Visual Studio website and download the system installer file from here. I have already downloaded the file. Proceed with the installation. Now as you can see, we can install the VS Code outside of the user folder. Complete the installation and now you are ready to go. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.